Hello, dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to pay your subscription using the new crypto wallet on Gracecommunity.world. The first step is to go to the Gracecommunity.world website, log in, and once you're in your back office, go to the menu on the left and click on Crypto Wallet. You must select the network you will use to send USDT or USDC. For example, if you are going to use the Ethereum network, you must first activate the wallet. Once activated, you will see the wallet address and the QR code. For this example, I'm going to use the BSC network. I select USDT or USDC. In this case, I'm sending USDT. Once the wallet is activated, I open my MetaMask wallet, click on USDT, and then click on Send. I paste the address of my Gracecommunity.world crypto wallet and enter the amount I want to send. In this case, I'm sending 10 USDT since there is a 1 USDT fee when paying with the crypto wallet. If your intention is to purchase the annual access for 80 USDT or any package worth more than 80 USDT/USDC, you must add an extra 5 USDT to cover the gas fee charged at the time of purchase. Then I click on Continue, and after reviewing the deposit address, I click on Confirm. Next, I return to my crypto wallet on Gracecommunity.world. After a couple of minutes, you should see your deposit reflected in the total wallet balance. If you want to speed up the process, simply click on Recall Scanner. Once the 10 USDT appear, I click on Subscription and select the package I want to buy. In this case, the monthly subscription for 10 USDT. I click on Subscribe, then choose Crypto Wallet. A notice with the subscription cost will appear. I click on Continue. Then a window will pop up with the payment details, asking for a 6-digit OTP. I open my email, find the code, paste it into the window, and click on Confirm Payment. Immediately after completing the payment, you will receive an email with the purchase receipt confirming the transaction. Thank you for being part of Gracecommunity.world. Enjoy the video.